In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook post that says Preview Unavailable. This message usually appears when a shared link has been removed, the content is no longer available, or its privacy settings have changed. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile, Facebook page, or group where the post was shared. Scroll down until you find the post showing the Preview Unavailable message. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the post to open more options. Next, select Move to Trash or Delete, depending on your app version. When the confirmation message appears, tap Delete again to remove the post permanently. If you don't want to delete it completely, you can choose Archive instead if that option is available. After removing the post, refresh your profile or page to confirm it has disappeared. If the post is still visible, close, and reopen the Facebook app, or wait a few minutes for the changes to sync. That's how you can quickly remove a Facebook post showing the Preview Unavailable message. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.